Wagwan people. So I did a simple glam using minimal product. Like I use little to nothing at all to accomplish this look. I hope y'all like it. It is simple, classy, beautiful, like you name it. That's what it is. And I am just loving it, you guys. So just stay tuned and watch me do the do. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, you beautiful souls. It's another day and we're doing another slay. It's your girl, Caribbean Melanin Goddess, and I'm starting off by prepping my brows with the e.l.f. Brow and Lash Mascara, Clear Mascara, and I'm using both ends as per usual, just to get, my brows looking, I think I need to shave my brows one of these days, but for now we'll just draw them on. Now I'm going in with my LA Colors pencil. It's an eyebrow and eyeliner pencil in the shade black to draw my brows. Then I went in with some hair like strokes, just to have her brows looking kind of natural. I don't want it to be too dense, so we're just doing it lightly because the pencil is very creamy, you guys, and it is pigmented AF. And when I say AF, guys, I'm not talking about that F word, because I try my best to stay away from profanity, so I'll just create my own little thing in my head so I can even frig AF, as frig, you know what I mean? But yes, and then I use the Set Concealer, which is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer, to clean my brows up and act as an eyeshadow base. Then I went in with my Cosmic Color Blush, and I'm using that as an eyeshadow, guys. That too I bought at the dollar store for $1.25, and trust me, it works. So now I have those two glitter eyeshadow. The one that I use for my right over there is the e.l.f. glitter eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, sorry. The e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow, and the shade it is called Flirty Birdie. And now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Expert liquid eyeliner in the shade Jet Black, and I went in with my Big Mold mascara to prime my lashes for the falsies. The lashes that I wore, guys, is called Russian Volume. It's the Kiss from the Kiss collection, but it's called Russian Volume. So now I'm going in with my Stellar primer to prime my face, and then I went in with my Stellar foundation in the shade S20, and then I also mixed it with my NARS light reflecting foundation in the shade Marquise, and I think I pretty much got my shade. I wish I went a little bit darker, because you guys know how much I love when my foundation is darker than my actual skin tone. But this fits perfectly, so it's okay, it's workable. But I hate working with foundations that is my skin tone, So now I'm going back in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I am using it to highlight the highlighted parts of my face, because no one's face has the same tone, you know what I mean? The outer portion of her face is usually darker than the inner portion of her face. So now I went in with my Real Technique soft accent brush to blend that all out, you guys. But guys, honestly, I learned how to do makeup just by watching YouTube videos. So honestly, know you can too, you know what I mean? Just keep on going, even if you like giving up. Just don't give up, because honestly, you will not regret it. Have I used the word honestly too much? The pencil I use to line my waterline, guys, is the Ruby Kisses 24-hour eyeliner in the shade RE03 dark brown. And then I went in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey to set the highlighted parts of my face. Guys, I honestly overuse the word honestly, so I will not use no darn honestly for the remainder of the video. Like, yo, is my vocabulary that limited? Like, oh my god. So no, guys, I'm just doing a little reverse contour type of thing. But look at that face. Like, look at my skin, you guys. Now I'm going in with my lip liner. It's my She Glam lip liner. I don't remember the name of it, but I will link it in the description down below. So I'm just nicely lining my lips. Sorry, you guys, I didn't realize that my lips were too far down. You know what I mean? The angle that I was at wasn't a good one. Then I went in with my lipstick from Model Co. That's the name of the company, and the shade is Tango Pink. So that's what I'm using. And I got that mascara, guys. It's a mini MAC mascara. It's the MAC Stack. Oh, the MAC Stack mascara. You guys, I literally have no bottom lashes. And when I put that ish on, I tell you, baby, lashes started to grow. Like, look at that. Look there, you know? Oh my god, it did the trick. So I used my R&L Moda brush, and I went back in to that Cosmic Colors blush to use as my blush. So as you can see, guys, I use the blush as an eyeshadow, and I am using it as a blush too, you know what I mean? So I honestly never use a lot of product. And now I'm going in with my Milani Make It Last Matte Finish Spray 16-hour wear. And look at my face, you guys. My girlfriend Latoya wanted me to do a look using minimal product. I hope this is good enough for you, Latoya. I came through for you, you ask, and I'm hoping I have delivered. So look at that, guys. Look at God. Now that's my niece's finger. She just wanted to give you guys a thumbs up because she's just nosy, you know. So I allowed her to. But look at the face, you guys. Simple and classy. My girl and her husband invited us over for a barbecue that night. So I just did a little simple beat, and yep, that is it. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope to see you in my other videos. Leave me with a thumbs up, comment, and see you in my next video.